So, what do you know? The rumors are true. Google just released Nano Banana, which has been going mega viral all over the internet, and for good reason, because it's by far one of the easiest image editors that anybody can use, and it's capable of some crazy stuff. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can actually access it for free, and the first way has a few limitations, but the second and third pretty much allow for unlimited generations. And I'm also going to be showing you all of the best use cases that I've found so that you can actually start using it right away. The first way to access it is, of course, via Google itself, and it is 100% free. But there are a few limitations which I'm going to talk about in just a few seconds. But first, just start off by heading to gemini.google.com, and before you do anything, just double check that you are on the 2.5 Flash and not the 2.5 Pro, because Flash is the one that's going to allow us to generate images. This is incredibly easy to use. We can just start off by uploading an image of me and then prompting it to do something like, put me on the peel of a colossal yellow banana, sliding down, smiling, hands in the air. The best part about Nano Banana is that whatever you prompt it to do, it will make those changes, but it's not going to change anything else in your image. This one has really, really good image consistency. Now, there are a few limitations of using it inside of Gemini. The first is that if you don't have an AI Pro plan or the Ultra plan, then you will have limited usage. And the second is that you're going to see this AI watermark on all of your images, whether it's in the preview or in the downloaded image, which kind of sucks. You can get rid of it, but it's kind of annoying. All right, now the second way you can access Nano Banana is inside of LM Arena. This is going to give you unlimited free access to it, at least for the time being. So you can do this by opening an incognito window and then going to lmarena.ai. From here, just go to the top and hit direct chat. Then look down at the bottom and click Generate Images. It automatically puts you on Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, which is what they call Nano Banana. And just like that, you are ready to go. The third way that you can access Nano Banana for free is with LM Arena AI again, but this time on their Discord server. So this is going to actually let you generate videos as well, which is super handy. You're only going to get around 8 generations of videos per day, but that is still honestly really good. So just click on the link to their Discord server that I've left in the description, and then once you're in, just find one of the channels called Video Arena, and then when you're in there, you're just going to type / and look for the command /image to video, and you're going to see a little spot to put in the image that you want to turn into a video, and then a place right here to add a little prompt. Alright, now that you know the 3 best ways to use Nano Banana, let's actually go ahead and jump into some use cases. So the first thing that you can do is you can keep characters consistent while changing anything else in a scene. So let's take this picture of this Yeti sitting at a table in a bar, and let's just say the Yeti is sitting on the same chair and table, but this time in a dragon's lair. And boom, it did it. Super cool. You can also change camera angles. So let's take this same picture and do a close-up on the Yeti's face, making him seem determined and ready to face the dragon. Now let's change the pose of the Yeti, which is another thing that you can do. So he's standing up from the table. Boom, pretty great. But here's where all of this gets really cool, because now with these 3 pictures, we have the makings of an entire scene. So all we need to do is head over to the LM Arena Discord and plug each of these into it and then give them a prompt. So now that we've put them in, we have successfully turned those 3 images into a full consistent scene. Pretty dang cool, right? I'm sure that your creative juices can go wild here. The next thing that you can do is you can keep the scenes consistent while changing the objects and the people in it. So let's just take this picture of an Apple store and replace all the MacBooks on the table with glowing bananas. There you go. Pretty cool. Now let's take this a step further by making it a bit more useful. So let's say that you're selling an energy drink. We're just going to give Red Bull a bit of free advertising here and use them. So we can just put this Red Bull can into any situation, any background, in any style that you can imagine. So let's just say a pro snowboarder holding this Red Bull can and pointing to it as he soars 30 feet in the air after launching off a massive jump in the backcountry of the Swiss Alps. You can get super creative here and you can put in any product that you want and just, go nuts. The next thing that you can do, and remember this is not an exhaustive list, you can do so many things with this thing, we're not going to cover all of them here, but the next thing is removing objects from images. So let's just take this picture of the boy Johnny Depp in a magazine and remove the text. So now let's put old Johnny in a convertible in the middle of the desert. And now let's just make him bald. Pretty dang cool, right? So yeah, that's going to be a short list of what I think are the coolest use cases of this image generator. And of course, if you found this video helpful, then do be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.